Sala, 25-15 ang nangyari. Ito masyado maraming sala yung Petronas.
Yes. Alun nga kanina pa, since the start of the set, binibilang natin. All in all, 7 service errors itong Petronas. And looking at, the final score, it was 25-15, 10 puntos. So, kung hindi nila itinapon yung 7 puntos, malamang sa malamang, kaya pa nila sanang habulin. Nakakabuelo pa sila. But it was just too much for them. Syempre, ito kasing Petron, even though F2 is still playing very well, nagising na sila. And finally, mas gumanda na number 1 yung kanilang reception. At syempre, because of that, naka-atake na sila. Aiza Maizo helping, same with Remy Palma. And kahit umaatake itong F2 Logistics, madali naman nilang nababawi yung kanilang mga puntos.
And Montillas firing at all cylinders, got help from Rosario and others as well. Look at the attacks, total of 16. And they managed to keep their unforced errors less than 10.
Yes.
To side of our PSL All-Filipino games today. And that was a set that took a while before F2 finally iced.
Well, definitely, this is the best set that Petron had. But nevertheless, mas maganda pa rin talaga yung naipakita dito ng F2. Yung depensa nila was really strong. Mas kahit nakalusot minsan itong Petron, nakapagpakitang gila sila with their offense. Yung combination plays nila, especially in the latter parts of that set, talagang nadala yung mga blockers at na-confused ang depensa nitong Petron.
Okay, in a short while, we'll check out some of the team leaders in terms of performance for this match. Chuck Cruz also with a sterling performance. Looks, he came out 29 ulit.
Oo. Tsaka alam mo yung maganda dito, lahat nag-contribute You have Chuck Cruz for the offense, Mika Reyes for the defense, Kim Fajardo scoring on her own dun sa kanyang service aces, excellent sets niya, 29, napakarami doon. Makadili, hindi naman nagpahuli sa depensa. So good numbers from everybody and it was a great team effort.